Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So guess who I have with me today? Hey, she is back. So we about to run the street. But guess what? All the time she's been here, homegirl has never been to McDonald's. And I'm trying to lose weight, but her ass want to try McDonald's for the first time because I guess I take her to bougie restaurant. So we're going to have her go to McDonald's. She can try it out. Let's hope she hates it. This way, she ain't never got to go back there because you know McDonald's is not good. But we're going to try it out. Well, she's going to try it out because I'm not having it. I'm just going to have me probably like an iced coffee or something. And then let her try it out. We're going to see her face. See how well she enjoys it. Let's hope she don't. But we know McDonald's not good for you, so she might. So hey,
I'm ready to try it, guys. I'm having a quarter pounder. What's it? Meal and a milkshake. So I'm about this life right now.
Ray.
Here, guys. McDonald's. Woo! I'm so excited.
Oh jeez. I can't.
I feel like a child.
God, here goes the fattening.
Look at this
food.
line.
Look at the fattening food.
Woo.
Go ahead now, girl. You see what you want?
I want... Where is it?
Right there.
Yeah. It says score a deal on your favorite. Ah, guys, I'm getting America's favorite.
You so stupid. Yeah, she ain't smoking nothing, guys. Why is she excited about some damn McDonald's? I don't know.
Are you ready to order? Hi.
Hi, how can I help you?
Can I have a quarter pounder meal, please?
Just a meat?
Meal.
Oh, she started to say
She want a
meat.
meal.
Shit.
A quarter pound of meal. I thought you said just a meat. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry, I'm foreign.
You want a large or medium?
Medium. Well, large.
Large?
Yes, please.
And the drink?
Can I have a strawberry milkshake, please?
Are you okay with whipped cream?
Yes, I am.
No whipped cream?
No, whipped cream, please.
Okay, anything else?
No, thank you.
No, actually, let me have a medium caramel iced coffee.
And is that all?
Yes.
I'm ready. Your iced coffee and your meal's going to be $13.43, please. First window.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My girl thought I said meat. Shit.
She probably like, you mean the meat?
The meat alone?
You mean?
Shit.
I can't.
That was funny.
That was funny. I know, right? So she finally got her food, y'all. Go ahead, go ahead.
The milkshake is really good. Alright, guys, fries now.
And they made it fresh just because we told them she's never had it before.
The fries is really good. But I'm really going in for this burger. This burger is fucking small. Shit. Enough onion too. Right, I'm going to be honest. It's not bad. It's just not the best burger I've ever had. I really like tomatoes and lettuce, and there's nothing in there, so
Because it doesn't come with that one.
yeah, I don't know if I'll be buying this burger again. But it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Enough chopped onion.
Now look at Shania, the food now. Ray. The fries though. The fries.
Girl, get you some fries. Get you some fries.
I know what the fries taste like. Resist temptation.
The fries are good, man.
Alright, what's
Yo,
it?
they
What?
not give me no ketchup.
No.
You don't get ketchup with it?
I don't normally eat ketchup with it, but yeah, they normally do. They must have forget. Anyway, guys, what can we say? She like it, but not that much, which is a good thing because we don't want her ass get too fat.
Out of 10, I'll give it a 4.
A 4?
Maybe I should have tried the nuggets instead. Yeah, the burger not that good.
Well, I don't eat red meat, so I really can't tell what if their burger's good because I don't eat
And I
red
don't really
meat.
like how them chop up the onion.
But they had different ones there with lettuce and tomatoes on there, but she wanted that. But anyway, what can we say? She don't like it that much. That's good for me because she don't need to be no McDonald's.
I'll be buying this again though. I'll be buying this and the fries.
That's good.
Combo.
Yeah. Alright. Until next, it's gonna be a long weekend vlog, so we're gonna try and find something to do and party and, you know, have some good fun. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
So hey guys, it is Labor Day. So today we're gonna probably check out the parade. Hang out in the city for a little bit, all that good stuff. I am gonna, right now I'm actually finishing this book I'm reading. It's called Tycoon by Katie Evans. Yeah, so it depends on how it ends. Might review it, might not. If not, it probably might my monthly wrap up. So other than that, it's a vlog day. I'm actually enjoying doing these vlogs. So I'm probably gonna do like a once a week vlog thing. Something like that. All right, Abby, why are you over there looking at me crazy? Abs, no? Abby, come here. Come here. Okay, there you go. Get your little camera time. Say hey. No? Don't look in the camera? No. She ain't about that camera. Alright, I'm gonna walk her and all that good stuff. Alright. Bye. Oh shit! Oh, the tourist people.
Oh, I thought they were residents.
Hell no. It's like a tourist zone, man.
Lots of Chinese people. Was that guy making a movie? Was that just a part of a movie? Or is he just like okay with walking around with a big ass camera?
Look at those. So this is her first time up here. She don't even want to take no damn pictures. So I just
forced me and it came out well.
Exactly, it's memories. So she can look back and be like,
I'm insecure.
I don't like that word. Well, we're gonna fix that. She full of shit. She ain't insecure, y'all. She's full of shit.
What?
Oh shit.
Like our workouts and not really.
No. This lazy ass.
I'm tired.
That's the most walk she's done since she's been in New York. No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all done though. Did we get to done?
No, yeah, it should be like a little bit left. Honestly, I don't remember ever walking this far.
Nobody would sense not go out this far. Nobody would
So
sense.
you see how she said I don't have no sense. Spot side? Really?
And there's no bathroom.
There is a bathroom. We passed it. You didn't want to join that line.
I pissed up myself today. You see? If I pissed up myself
You know
today,
I'm not taking this out, right?
only God knows.
Yeah.
If it was dark enough.
But it's, you know what it is though? What I appreciate right now is cool.
yeah, it's cool. If it did hot, I would go.
Yeah, we wouldn't be able to go and do all that.
Peter Gaden and me walk 45 minutes. Wicked. Hey, you wicked oh.
2 shades in just what? 5 minutes?
Wicked.
Not even 5 minutes, 2 shades?
Hey. I love when they do that. You listening to me oh.
She's an idiot. She be watching them damn African movies.
Oh my god.
Yeah, now we got company. Look at all these people. Alright, we out.
You know what's bad?
It's funny.
Central Park.
I know y'all saw that.
That's funny. It's not a zoo.
It's not a zoo. Oh my god, this is crazy. Look at my meal. Wow.
This pork is good.
It's like a real fat person. Yummy. Thank you. Bye.
One more.
So we all full.
Guys,
8. It's a tap bit too
towel
much.
was good.
Towel was good. Towel was good.
Great day.
Pricey as hell, but good. So now we just need to go get ourselves 2 drinks so we could be done for the day.
Go home and
That's it, 2 drinks.
3 drinks.
She's not getting drunk. Trust
Drink
me.
till I can't walk, people.
She's not with me. She
Put
won't.
me on her back.
I will not be put on no back.
I'm about that drunk life tonight. Ending it on a good note. Right?
No. Guarantee you ain't no drinking going on.
It's gonna happen. Oh, my foot are burning me.
She can't even walk, but she want to drink. Yeah, okay. We'll see, guys.
La sussurrerà, la sussurrerà. Mi farò prestare non perché regalare non voglio a te. Quando sul danzare ti mette. Una serena con i piedi baci si tocca ogni innamorato l'innamorato la sussurrerà la sussurrerà.
No, right?
You're so warm.
Ogni innamorato
guys, we just came from the Mills Bar.
If you are in Manhattan, guys, you have to go to that bar.
It's on, what are we on? 14, and I think, not ever, but if you put Mills Bar, you'll see it.
The staff is extremely nice.
But we stayed.
So good.
They closed us in. We got a couple of
stayed
shots.
until they're closed. All right, it was
and
that good.
They were super.
They were so nice.
Nice.
Oh my god, they were so nice.
The owner was really cool.
The owner was really, really cool.
And he was just talking to us.
The bartender, the waitress, they were just really cool.
And we drank a little bit more than we thought we would, but we're fine. But I would say, check out that bar.
Check it out.
I would definitely link it on here.
Definitely a good vibe in there. You will feel comfortable.
The bartenders are pretty cool.
Yeah, really cool.
So now we're trying to find
Magnum because we want some ice cream. Always wanted to try these.
So guys, that's a wrap. I'm good, as you can see. The other person out here, she's not so good. She had a great time. So, you know, go ahead, subscribe, comment, hit that likes button, and we will see you another one. So have a good day, good night, whenever you're watching this. Bye.